Late model mobile coming at you. I got a 2013 GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.3 liter motor in it. I think I got some piston slap going on. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be that much slack in this piston. I'm not 100% sure. I've never dealt with this issue before, but we had a misfire and some tapping going on. I replaced all the lifters, the V-Lom, just to rectify the misfire and the tapping. But when we put it back together, it still had a little tap. So I saw this bit of slack in a couple of the pistons. I don't know if that's normal for GMs. I had never dealt with this before. Some of them don't make that noise like that. See, like that number one cylinder. So just let me know if you dealt with this issue before. Comment, tell me what y'all did to fix it. I'm sure this engine might have to be rebuilt, but just comment and let me know, confirm what I think I already know. Until then, late model mobile out.